की कोकोनट सॅपलिंग्स कोण प्लांट करतात तांकां FARचो बेनिफीट दिवप. What is the meaning of giving benefit for the people of FAR when you plant trees? Planting trees is the duty of every law-abiding and good citizen of this country. ताका FAR दिवपाचो बेनिफीट कसलोच महत्व ना. In fact, it looks like there is no proper agricultural policy because we have got figures produced by the census, agricultural census in October 2018, yet Goa sees the sharpest decline in cultivable lands. And yesterday I have got another that Goa low coconut yield drives government's nuts. So आमचे कोकोनट प्रोडक्शनय कमी जाला, आमचे एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्शनय कमी जाला, आनी अशें लोकांक कोकोनट ट्री आनी माड रोवन ताका FAR दिवप, म्हाका दिसता असली पॉलिसी इज नॉट एट ऑल समथींग विच इज हेल्दी फॉर द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा, वेर वी रिक्वायर अ प्रॉपर policy if we are to revive our sagging agricultural production and the entire agriculture of the state.